afternoon guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel, and for today's vlog, I'm going to share with you my daily life and daily exercise. So, let's go! I'm back and I'm going to start now my daily exercises. First is my stretching. Let's start. Stretching is done and let's proceed to the next one, workout. Bye. Workout is done and I'm going to change my clothes and rest 30 seconds to 1 minute rest, and bye guys. I'm done with exercise and cleaning. Let's talk about exercise. And first one is, what is exercise? Exercise can help people lose weight and lower risk of some diseases. Exercising regularly lower a person's risk of developing some diseases. And also, exercise can help can keep our body at healthy weight. Let's talk about the benefits of exercise. Some of the benefits of exercise is can help you to control your weight, reduce your risk of heart diseases, help your body manage your blood sugar, help you to quit smoking if you are smoking, and help your thinking skills and learning skills faster and much better, and also strengthen your bones and muscles, and reducing your risk of some cancer, including colon, breast, and uterine and lung cancer, and improve your sleep because exercising can help you fall asleep faster and stay asleep longer, and also improve your sexual health and increase your chances of living longer. Because nowadays technology and social media and mobile phones can lead us to psychological and physical issue like eye strain or difficulty in focusing a task, or serious problem on health like depression and not sleeping well. So and guys, that's all for today. Thank you for watching, and if you are new in this channel, please subscribe and turn on notification bell. That's all. Thank you. Bye.